Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a 1987 Wish book for kids for Sears, and it ends up being the Christmas edition. So prepare for some nostalgia. So we're going to look at some decor, clothing, things you absolutely did not need, Karate Kid style, Dragon style, robes, all of this horrible stuff that's just actually kind of cool. Geez, that poor kid looks like some sort of gaming console. Red, white, and blue. Sports. Fatigues. Ooh, how about those for vintage? Space Bike. Galactic. Skate Rider. I think that's inspired by 84, 85. Back to the Future. Okay, we're gonna warm up with some kid stuff. Sears exclusive. Disney style. And then get into the action figures. The Joes are coming up. But again, 1987. That's pretty neat. Early kiddo stuff. Disney. And this was about the heyday for the 1930s toys to pop back on market for adult collectors, and so the kids were served up a similar batch of nostalgia. Fisher-Price. Sewing and baking. Brio or Breyer style horses here. Food mixing. Fake microwaves. Creative art. Spinning ink. Spectra and the Rockers. My first Barbie. Totally awesome. I think these are gem. The Hart family. Merry Christmas, Mommy. Fievel. Oscar the Grouch, and then Teddy. Oh, Teddy. That was a big deal then. That looks like Alf. Computron. Word processing. Ooh. Speak and Spell. Computron again. And WizKid. Gosh, I haven't heard of WizKid in ages. How about some nostalgic gaming? Torpedo Run. Electronic Battleship. Mousetrap. For all you Lego people, this is a big deal. Nice. Technic. Space. Lego Space was big. Looks like they got to a really creative name of Plactron. Castles. And then for the basic kids, the basics. Tech Force. Great idea, just a little ahead of the time, too much. Captain Power. Relative commercial success. Generic. Big money for 80s kiddos. Transformers. Wow. Deja Vu, Headmasters and such. And then how about the real Ghostbusters? Slimer. And then Silverhawks. Wow. Deja Vu. And then here's the big one, Starcom. Wow. Magna look. So this kind of had a Diaclone feel to it. American style. Air Raiders. Sky Commanders. Oh, gold. Gold right below it. Look. Mask. Supernaturals. Visionaries, which I'm not that familiar with. Battle Beasts, which is quite cool. Got it. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Hope you had a good time going through 1987 Sears catalog with me. This is the Christmas catalog. Hopefully it brought back a lot of memories. Apologies for maybe being long, but on the other hand, at 293 pages, this was the abridged look down nostalgia lane. Have a wonderful day. If you have interesting toys, contact me, toys at AntiqueToys.com, as well as AntiqueToys.com, and then for big collections, Mars Auctions. Take care. Cheers from Ed.